Hello and thank you for joining everybody. So today I'm just making a pen for a gentleman at work that's retiring today, and I thought I'd video it for him as well. So this is a hybrid blank. It's got some Burr or burl, whatever you guys prefer to call it, and resin from Alumilite. So it's the Clear Slow, and I thought at one point that this wood had already been stabilised, and I kind of made a mistake, so you'll see as we go on. Anyway, so at the minute I'm just turning this now, trying to get it to a decent round and define a little bit of shape. I am using the Easy Wood tools. These are the mid-size cutters, and I'm using the negative rakes. But something's holding me back. You feed my ego, together we go. Talking dirty, playing cheap. I know I'm in too deep. Running out of kryptonite. I'm just trying to, get rid of the material now, get it more to a round. I believe this was the moment that I realised where I'd messed up a little bit, and I'd picked the wood out of the wrong bag that hadn't been stabilised. And now I start the sanding from 120. I dry sand all the way up to a 400 grit.
I come home from work, bring in some friends. Why does such a thing make you uptight and tense? You're high-strung, babe. You're high-strung, babe. And a high-strung woman makes for a high-strung man.
So I just added a bit of denatured alcohol, or methylated spirits, as we say over here in the UK, and I'm sanding from 400 where I left off with the dry sanding, and I'm going to sand all the way up to 1200.
And a high-strung woman makes for a high-strung man.
And this is where, because I knew I'd not stabilised this at this point, I had to add some sanding sealer, and this drank some sanding sealer. I cut a little bit of that back, but I applied quite a few coats of this into that burr. I'm now applying the Yorkshire Girt. This is the original. Just working it in, slow speed, and no pressure really, just letting the grit do the work on the towel. There we go, now switching over to the Yorkshire Girt Microfine from Easy Wood Tools, and again, lathe stationary, just applying the Microfine, rubbing it in, and Then again, I'll start off on a slow speed. Once that's all nice and set in, I will speed it up, buffing that in quite nicely. So now I've switched over to the finishing product on this, which is Magic Juice. It's a 6-stage process. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all gone real quick, and now on the last one. That's all polished up. Neil, happy retirement. Hope you like it. If you've made it to the end, it would be nice if you could wish Neil a happy retirement, and it's been a pleasure. Take care. See you later. Bye bye.